Electrical contractors need to nail down these critical inspection points to keep everything safe and running smooth, you know? So, first up, always check the circuit integrity. Make sure there are no breaks or shorts, and that everything is wired correctly. Next, grounding systems are a must inspect because they protect you from electrical shocks and keep the system stable. Don't forget about the panel board condition. Look for signs of wear, corrosion, or overheating that can cause serious issues. Wire insulation needs a close look too. Any cracks or damage can lead to shorts or fires. Then, test outlet functionality to ensure they're working properly and safely, no loose connections or sparking. It's also smart to inspect switches and breakers, making sure they trip when needed to prevent overloads. Always use a voltage tester for quick checks without opening everything up. Finally, keep an eye on compliance with local electrical codes so everything is up to standard. These steps help catch problems early and avoid headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes electrical contractors make is ignoring the grounding system, which can cause dangerous shocks if not properly installed or maintained. Fix this by double-checking all grounding connections during inspections. Another common issue is skipping the panel board condition check. Old or corroded panels can lead to failures, so replace or repair any questionable parts immediately. The third mistake is overlooking wire insulation damage. Cracked or worn insulation is a fire hazard, so always replace damaged wiring before continuing work. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local electrical contractors easily by matching them with pros who know their stuff. At the same time, it gives contractors a steady flow of work by connecting them with people needing real help on their home projects,